You're about to discover the Adidas discount everyone's hiding from you. Before we dive in, click the link in the description below to grab your discount while it's still working. Trust me, you'll want this bookmarked. So here's the thing about Adidas. They're not exactly shouting about this 15% sign-up hack from the rooftops. Why? Because once everyone knows, they'll probably change it. Here's how it works. Step 1. Don't just go to adidas.com like a regular person. That's amateur hour. Instead, open an incognito window. This is crucial because Adidas tracks your browsing history. Step 2. Navigate to their newsletter sign-up, but here's the kicker. Use a fresh email address. Not your main one, not your shopping one, a completely new one. The algorithm treats new users differently than returning visitors. It's like being the new kid at school. Everyone wants to impress you. Step 3. Add something to your cart first, then abandon it. Wait exactly 24 hours. Adidas will panic and send you that sweet 15% off code to win you back. It's psychology meets capitalism, and honestly, it's beautiful. Remember, click that link below to get started. Your wallet will thank you later.